This is the third time I'm filming this video. Hey guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing travel life hacks. You can use any of these for when you're packing, on the airplane, or even in the car. And even if you're not going to be going on vacation anytime soon, you can save this video to your playlist because there's going to be a lot of helpful tips in this. So make sure you keep this video. Also guys, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but I actually did get fairy hair. It's my first time getting it and I actually think it looks pretty nice. You can't tell much on camera, but I got the colors pink and silver. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more. I think that's all for now, so let's go! Alright, so the first thing you can do is actually to look up a packing checklist. This is great because you can always forget things when you're packing. And the worst is when you're arriving at the place you're going and you realize you forgot something. So you can actually just search up a list. And I know Pinterest has a lot of great ideas so you won't forget anything. Alright, so the next life hack, I feel like a lot of people don't know this, but near the bottom of your car there's a little plug thingy and you can actually plug your devices in straight from that and it'll use the car's battery to charge it. So it's actually called an inverter and some cars don't have it. So if you're going on a long road trip, that'll be really helpful. Alright, so the third life hack is for when you have a bunch of cords and you don't want them to be scrambled throughout your bags. So you can actually take a sunglasses case and put all of them in there. That way they'll be nice and organized. So this next one is actually really helpful if you have a bunch of earrings. I know they can get mixed up in your bag and you might forget where you put them. So if you take a little button, you can actually put them right through it and you won't get them mixed matched and like missing and stuff. Don't forget to take a laundry bag because I know a lot of the time if you're going somewhere where you're wearing a swimsuit or if you work out in the gym and your clothes get really dirty, there's no place to put it. So you can put your clothes in the bag and that way your suitcase won't get dirty as well. So this life hack is actually really cool. You can take these old contact lens containers and you could put small amounts of your product in it. It could be like lotion or makeup products. That way if you're traveling light, you might not want to bring the entire bottle. And it's also a great use of the old containers. So this next idea is actually another jewelry life hack. If you take a straw and you put your necklace down it and then hook the loop together, that'll make it so it doesn't get tangled. Because I know a lot of the thin, like dainty jewelry can get all mixed up with other ones and it's such a pain to undo. A lot of people say for this one that it saves a lot of space to roll your clothes. I really don't know if it makes a difference from just folding them, and it also makes it look neater and easier to find what you want to wear. So next time you're packing, this is a good tip. Another thing you can do is bring dryer sheets. I know sometimes your clothes can pick up the smell of your suitcase or wherever it's been. So if you put a dryer sheet in it, it'll make it smell nice and fresh. So this next one is great if you have trouble sleeping in hotel rooms or if you're just anxious or excited. You can take melatonin pills or any type of thing that helps you fall asleep. It's also great if you have a bunch of kids and they're just running around like crazy. So this one is perfect if you're going to the beach because I know a lot of the time you can actually get sand like all over your arms, your legs, and your feet. So if you take baby powder and rub it on the area, I guess it just like comes off. I don't really know how it works. But it's also great because I know like when you go in the car, the sand can rub off and get everywhere and it's just a giant mess. If you're going to a more like formal event and you're taking a suit with you and a belt, you should actually take the belt and roll it up and put it in the suit collar because it'll actually prevent wrinkles and save space. So this next one is great if you're in a hotel and you don't like germs getting on your toothbrush. You can actually take a clip to hold it up and you just balance it on the counter. So this app is actually amazing if you're going to a foreign country. You can actually download Google Translate and not only does it just go from language to language, but there's also a cool feature where you can take a picture of a different language and it'll put it right into your language. So if you're traveling to a different country and you don't want to learn the language, you can just use that. And for this last hack, if you're buying airplane tickets, apparently if you use the incognito mode, it'll give you cheaper prices. I've never tried it out myself, but it's worth a shot. And here's a bonus fact. This one is kind of hard to believe, but somehow traveling can actually improve your problem-solving skills and it can boost your creativity. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but that sounds pretty cool. That's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed or learned something new. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!